Fresh ruckus being reported in battleground JNU, late night clashes in Delhi's JNU, stone pelting claimed during protests inside the campus, the JNU campus. The protest was over VC's statement that turned tense on campus. The left groups now blame BJP-linked ABVP for the attack. Multiple students have been injured in the fresh JNU clash. Protesters claim stones hurled at demonstrations. So this is the latest news being reported from JNU, and fresh ruckus is being reported from Delhi's JNU. There were late night clashes, stone pelting claimed during the protests inside the campus, and this protest was over VC's statement that turned tense on the campus. Now left groups blame that it is the BJP-linked ABVP behind this attack. The student wing linked to the BJP, which is ABVP. The left groups are blaming the ABVP for this attack, and remember, multiple students have been injured in this fresh JNU clash.
देखिए, यहाँ पे पिछले 7-8 दिन से वामपंथी जो लेफ्ट संगठन है उनकी स्ट्राइक चल रही है, और आज उनकी स्ट्राइक की एक बड़ी रैली थी बीसी हाउस के घेराव की। तो उसके बाद उन्होंने जो किया, पूरी रात जिस तरह का आतंक आज उन्होंने इस जेएनयू में फैलाया है, स्कूल्स में जाके, जो स्कूल्स की स्टडी रूम थे जहाँ बच्चे पढ़ रहे थे, स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहे थे, उनको 300 से 400 नकाबपोश भीड़ ने, मुंह अपने ढके हुए थे, हाथों में डंडे और चाकू लिए, उन लोगों को स्कूल के स्टडी रूम से भगाया गया है और स्कूल के ऊपर ताले लगाए गए हैं।
And my colleague Anshul Singh is now joining us with more details on this. Anshul, give us more details on the reason behind these protests and what exactly unfolded during this demonstration.
Well, if you look at this entire incident, the JNU-SU has been protesting for the last 3 to 4 days. This was after the Vice Chancellor of the JNU, in fact, made a comment during an interview in which she actually went ahead and claimed that the victimhood mentality of the backward classes is something that is not allowing them to go further, and she compared it with the black movement that happened in places of America as well. And since then, this entire comment has not gone down well with the JNU-SU and the left-leaning organizations, and they have continuing their protest. Yesterday, as well as this protest was going on, JNU left-leaning students are now claiming that while they were protesting, suddenly stones were pelted towards them, and these stones were allegedly pelted towards them by ABVP is what the allegation is. And in this as well, several students of the left-leaning organizations have been injured is what the JNU-SU is claiming. But rebuttal has come in from the ABVP as well, where they have claimed that the students of the members of the left-leaning organizations actually were carrying out violence in several places across the campus inside the JNU. And while they were trying to defend them, they were attacked. The ABVP members were attacked, and in fact, the ABVP also claims that several of their members have also been injured in this entire attack. At this point in time, no official police complaint, however, has been given, because remember, this entire incident happened within the limits of the campus, and a complaint or an FIR could only be registered if at all the JNU administration asked the police to do so. So that is something that remains to be seen, if at all an official FIR or an official complaint would be given by either of the parties to the police. But yet again, another night of violence that has transpired inside the Jawaharlal Nehru University.
All right, Anshul, do stay with